That's umpire Dusty Rhodes just signalling him that he can start. Bowling to Bolus. Into the covers, Butcher the fieldsman. Well, that'll certainly be 3 runs. They may even go for 4. Hunt chasing it. They've taken 2 and Hunt just gets there. And so it's 3 runs to Bolus, and England, who won the toss, are 3-0. Hall then to Edridge. Edridge's first ball. He played that down perfectly all right. Fielded by Sobers.
Gary Sobers to bowl from the Vauxhall end. At the moment, Rodriguez and Gibbs in the slips.
Bowling to Edridge.